The air is chilling, the lights are low, and that spine-tingling feeling tells you they are here. This Halloween, we're calling up the spirits. Forget basic sheet ghosts. This guide is your complete playbook to creating the most beautiful, spooky, and sometimes cute ghost Halloween decorations for your home, inside and out. From DIY ghost Halloween decorations outdoor that float in the air to charming tabletop haunts, we'll show you how to craft a truly unforgettable, ghostly experience, all on a budget. So dim the lights and prepare for a spooktacular journey. Because this year, the ghosts are taking over. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your favorite stop for creative seasonal decor and easy DIY ghost Halloween crafts. In today's video, we're embracing the ethereal with 15 must-try ghost Halloween decorations ideas that are perfect for any space. Whether you want to make spooky, life-size apparitions for your yard, or charming, cute ghost Halloween decorations for a ghost-themed birthday party ideas, or your indoor mantle, we've got the tutorials. We'll even tackle those budget-friendly ghost Halloween decorations, Dollar Tree hauls. Ready to get crafting? Let's bring the boo to your home, me hearties. What are the best ghost Halloween decoration ideas for your yard? The yard is where the full haunt begins. Focus on creating floating, lifelike spirits. The most impactful ghost Halloween decorations DIY outdoor ideas involve draping cheesecloth or white sheets over inverted tomato cages or chicken wire forms. Hang them from trees with fishing lines so they truly look like they're flying. Add a simple LED light inside for an eerie glow at night. How can I make DIY hanging ghost decorations on a budget? The key to DIY ghost Halloween decorations on a budget is cheesecloth or old white pillowcases sheets. Cut them into strips and soak them in liquid starch. Drape the soaked fabric over a form like a balloon on a bottle to dry. Once stiff, remove the form, draw on simple black eyes, and hang. These are incredibly cheap and look fantastic floating on your porch or from tree branches. If you're ready to make a floating phantom, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your Halloween crafting crew. How can I make glowing ghost luminaries for the walkway? For safe and spooky lighting, use milk jugs or plastic water bottles. Clean them out, draw simple black ghost faces on the front with a permanent marker, and drop an LED tea light inside. Line your walkway with these simple crafts for a haunting glow that guides trick-or-treaters right to your door. This is a perfect ghost Halloween decor for kids' craft too. What are the best cute ghost Halloween decorations ideas? To keep the theme friendly, opt for simple, rounded shapes and whimsical faces. Paint small white pumpkins or gourds with cheerful ghost expressions. You can also make little pom-pom ghosts or felt ghosts with rosy cheeks. These are perfect for ghost Halloween decorations, DIY indoor displays, mantles, or as table scatter for a party. Which is your favorite, scary ghost or cute ghost? Tell us in the comments. How to make a ghost out of paper for a garland. This is one of the quickest, easy DIY ghost Halloween crafts. Fold a piece of white cardstock or construction paper accordion style. Draw half a ghost shape on the top fold, making sure the edges touch the folds. Cut the shape out while the paper is still folded. When you unfold it, you'll have a linked ghost garland, perfect for ghost Halloween party decoration ideas. What are great ghost Halloween decorations DIY indoor for small spaces? Focus on vertical and wall decor. A hanging ghost wreath made from strips of white tulle or cheesecloth is fantastic for your front door. Inside, use paper-cut ghost garland across a window or mantel. Another idea, simply drape a small piece of white fabric over a tall lamp or bust to create an instant temporary ghost in the corner of a room. For more simple indoor haunting ideas, check out the Indoor Halloween Decor playlist in the description. How can I create a floating ghost effect without an armature? For an ethereal, truly floating effect, use helium balloons covered in a thin layer of white tulle or cheesecloth. Secure the fabric loosely at the neck of the balloon with a piece of twine, leaving the fabric to billow out. Use black cutouts for the eyes. The balloon keeps the ghost aloft, making it appear to hover magically. What are fun ghost-themed ghost Halloween party decoration ideas? Beyond the crafts, theme your food and serving areas. Make ghost-shaped cookies. Use clear glasses with "Boo" written on them. Or serve white punch, like milk or lemonade, labeled ectoplasm. Hang small, store-bought plastic ghosts from the lights to look like they're joining the celebration. If you're loving these creative Halloween ideas, hit subscribe for weekly DIY decor inspiration from Decor Design Ideas. How can I turn a basic Dollar Tree ghost into a high-end prop? The foam-headed ghosts from Dollar Tree are a great base. Upgrade them by swapping the cheap fabric for weathered cheesecloth or muslin soaked in tea for an aged look. Glue on realistic-looking black felt eyes and pose the arms, often posable wire, in a more dynamic, terrifying way, perhaps holding a faux chain or a small flickering lantern. What is the perfect ghost Halloween decor for kids' party? Keep it light, fun, and craft-focused. Have a DIY station where kids can make mini pom-pom ghosts or draw faces on paper cups to create ghost lanterns. Ghostly popcorn bags, made from white paper bags with simple drawn faces, are a charming and easy party favor. Can these be used for ghost-themed birthday party ideas outside of Halloween? Absolutely. Ghost themes work for any spooky or fantastical celebration. Use the cute ghost Halloween decorations in softer pastel colors, like light blue or pink, instead of black and orange. Focus on the balloon and paper garland crafts, which are easy to customize for any time of year. How can I create an indoor spooky gallery of apparitions? Frame simple ghost silhouettes cut from white paper on a black background. Use a marker to draw vintage-style, spooky eyes. For a dimensional look, put a few layers of tulle between the silhouette and the glass of the frame. This simple ghost Halloween decorations DIY indoor project adds an elegant, eerie touch to a wall or mantel. If you'd try this spooky gallery idea, give this video a thumbs up and share it. How can I make large, semi-transparent outdoor ghost decorations? A great method is the chicken wire ghost. Create a rough human shape with chicken wire, spray paint it white, and then very lightly drape sheer white fabric like wedding tulle over the frame. When hit with a spotlight at night, the fabric catches the light, making the form look truly wispy and ethereal. A powerful ghost Halloween decorations DIY outdoor display. What are quick, last-minute, easy DIY ghost Halloween crafts? For the ultimate rush project, buy white latex balloons. Use a black Sharpie to draw various simple ghost faces on them, from scared to happy to silly. Cluster them together for a fun, floating cloud of ghosts. Or simply drape cotton batting or leftover white tissue paper over small jars and add eyes for instant little tabletop specters. How do I make my DIY outdoor ghost decorations weatherproof? For fabric-based ghosts, spray them generously with a clear, matte sealant or acrylic waterproofing spray after the starch stiffening process. For tomato cage or chicken wire ghosts, ensure all lights are rated for outdoor use and tuck the battery packs into sealed plastic bags. Secure all props firmly to the ground or trees with durable stakes and fishing line to prevent them from blowing away. From floating apparitions in your yard to charmingly cute ghost Halloween decorations on your mantle, we hope these ghost Halloween decorations ideas have inspired your spooky season. Whether you're crafting on a budget with Dollar Tree ghost hacks or building a truly terrifying DIY ghost Halloween decorations display, this theme is all about simple materials and big impact. So gather your cheesecloth, draw your faces, and make your home a beautifully haunted spectacle this Halloween night. If you love these DIY ghost Halloween decorations, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your Halloween crew. Which part of your home would you decorate with these ghost Halloween decorations ideas? Your yard or indoors? Tell us below. Check our Halloween outdoor and DIY ghost Halloween crafts playlist in the description for more creative setups. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly easy DIY ghost Halloween crafts and seasonal decor inspiration. Explore related videos on ghost Halloween decor for kids, haunted house DIYs, and Dollar Tree Halloween ideas in the description.